Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a product review today. So it's rainy outside and I figured I had some time to film, so that's what I'm doing. Today's product review is a skincare product. It is the Peter Thomas Roth Laser Free Resurfacer Face Serum. This is to help undo the damage with 33.5% dragon's blood complex, helping repair, resurface, regenerate, and renew the appearance of dull, aging, overexposed skin for all skin types. So this is what the packaging looks like. It comes in a non-clear bottle, so you really don't know when you're running out, which is kind of a little bit, what's the word? I don't like the idea that I can't see what's in here so that I know when I'm running out. So that's kind of like a downfall. However, the product is fantastic. I'm going to show you on the back of my hand here. Actually, you know what? I have a clean face, so I'm going to apply it to my face because I don't have anything on my face today. So all I do is take one pump of this, and it comes out red. Okay. It makes your skin very smooth and soft, and I just apply this all over my face. All over my face. So it does make my skin a little bit on the red tinted side because the product is got like a redness to it, but I mean, once you apply your makeup and stuff, that kind of goes away. It's not like the end of the world. But I just wanted to show you what it looked like coming out of the bottle because some people kind of get freaked out when skincare is like a different color or whatever the case may be. I did get a fluid ounce in this bottle. I did get this on sale for about $50 at TJ Maxx, so I found this for a steal. I think retail price for this is like $80 to $90, and that is full price. If you can find it at TJ Maxx, you're probably better off because you're getting it at a discounted price. However, if you cannot find it at TJ Maxx and you are, having to pay the retail price, what I would say is wait for the Sephora VIB sales, the VIB Rouge sales. I think one is in April and the other one is in November, to get some sort of discount on it so that you don't have to pay full price, if you guys know what I mean. This is a great product. I really do love it. Here it says, skip the laser, get the results, laser-free resurfacer, helps skin appear repaired, resurfaced, regenerated, and renewed from the first application. Helps lessen the appearance of noticeable signs of aging as a result of time, UV, and environmental damage, while helping to dramatically improve the appearance of texture, uneven skin tone, skin redness, fine lines, and wrinkles. Skin appears smoother, softer, younger, and clearer looking. Laser-free resurfacer contains 33.5% dragon's blood complex, a concentrate featuring dragon's blood, a red resin drawn from the Amazon's Croton lechery tree, a native secret that helps reduce the appearance of inflammation and helps accelerate repair. This is very much enriched with a lot of great stuff. However, it is quite expensive for a fluid ounce. So I wouldn't use more than a pump every time you apply this because one pump is good enough for all over the face. And whatever's left over on your hands, I just usually bring down my neck and décolleté area. When I first tried this in a sample size, I noticed results the first day that I used this, which is pretty surprising for me because usually skincare doesn't really take effect until you've been using the product at least between 2 to 3 weeks long. So when I noticed the results right away with this kind of blew my mind away because I was so impressed. Now, I can find Peter Thomas Roth at Sephora mainly. You can find it at TJ Maxx. It's kind of hit and miss, so you got to keep your eyes out. But if you're looking for something to reduce your texture, if you have texture on your face that you're trying to get rid of and you don't want a an acid, a really strong acid, I think this is your next best bet to go with. This you can use day and night, underneath makeup, at night before your heavy creams, and it does not affect any of your other steps in your skincare. I found that this does really well with the rest of my skincare, day or night. So if you want to stay away from like the harsh acids, I would maybe try this as your resurfacer and your texture reducing product. The packaging is very sleek. I just, again, can't see through the bottle, so I don't even know where I'm at with this thing. I don't even know when I'm going to be finished it. Comes with a pump, which is good. I do like pumps in products. I hate pots. Pots are something that I cannot stand in a skincare product. Sometimes pots are good because at least you know you're getting all your money's worth of product out of it, but the whole cross-contamination kind of freaks me out a little when you're dipping either your finger in there, or you know, it's an open jar. Anything can happen if you sneeze by accident, and you know, just germs. I try to use spatulas with pots, but even then, you guys, even then, it's just so much more convenient to have your skincare in a pump. So I have to say the pump is a thumbs up. The product is fantastic. I really do enjoy it. I have been using it for a few weeks now, and I found that I started using this right after I finished my glycolic night serum by Drunk Elephant, and that one was great. But this one actually kept up the smoothness of my skin, because that's what I was most afraid of, that because I stopped the glycolic acid, my skin was going to be really textured again. And with this, it has not. It's been actually really nice and smooth. I mean, you could see my skin right now. I don't have any makeup on. I just have a little gloss, and my skin is fairly much the same smoothness. I do have some hormonal, like, minor breakouts on the fact of my period, so that kind of is out of the what am I looking for? Out of the question when I'm talking about texture. Texture, mostly what I'm talking about texture is like usually like bumps up here that I used to get way back when, that were just either clogged pores or just my skin reacting to products that were not, you know, right for me. This has kept that all away. I continue to use it day and night. I find that it's amazing. It does wonders. It does the job, and I like that. And I like it does the job without having to use a harsh acid. Sometimes when you use acid on your skin, you can break out from it. It all depends on the person and the person's skin type. For me, the Glycolic Night Serum by Drunk Elephant was great, and I loved it. It was very harsh though, so I had to be very careful when I was using it, what I was using it with in conjunction of other products. With this one, I don't have to worry about too much of mixing it with different products, because mainly all of the products that I use, either before or after this, they all work fine. They're all, you know, safe to use. So that's why I like this more. This is more of a you don't have to think about it type of product. You can just layer it with the rest of your skincare and it will not be an issue. So if you guys are interested, definitely check out your local Sephora. Stick it on your Christmas list, stick it on your sale list for the VIB Rouge sale and get a discount, or go check out your local TJ Maxx store, see if you can find one of these in their beauty department, because I picked this one up for about $50. It was discounted majorly, and I was really excited to pick it up with a discount. So if I could find it again at discount, I definitely would get it. Would I buy it full size, full retail price? Probably not. I would just keep it on my VIB Rouge sale wish list and pick it up once the sale comes around again, because the sale comes twice a year for VIB people at Sephora. So that's what I would do. I would wait for the sale, pick it up then with a discount. I love it. It does the job. What I like about this too is that I can travel with this. So if I really wanted to, I could travel with it because it comes in a pump and the packaging is quite secure. So that is also a bonus. That is it for this review, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed a quick review again. I hope everyone's enjoying their summer, and we will talk in my next video. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.